This is module 7 investigation 1 and then talking about some angles. Okay, so well, what is the angle? So angle means there are two sides, which is there's an initial side and then the terminal sides, and then there's an openness, which is called the angle. So this is the angle and these are the angles. Okay, so let's think about the number 9, 10, 11, and 12 from here. So number 9. And then describe what is the mean for the angle to have a measures of 1 degree. So 1 degree means, okay, so when you have a, do we have a nice circle in here? Okay, so if you do the all the way to around, it's gonna be the starting from the 0 degree all the way to the 360 degree. Okay, so if you rotate the one whole circle, you get the 360 degree, which is a 1/4 is a 90 degree, and then the half is going to be 180 degree, and then the 3/4 will be the 270 degree. Okay, so what's a 1 degree? 1 degree is going to be 1 degree of the as a piece, isn't it? So it's going to be the angle with the measure of the 1 degree means that the angle openness, the angle's openness is that is subtends 1 out of 360 of any circle circumference. So what about the 10 degree, which is going to be the 10 out of 360. For the 47, 47 out of the 360. So the degree we use these symbols, okay? So number 10, if the angle has a measure of the 1.5 radian, what percentage of the center entire circle circumference does that the angle subtend? So we only okay, so now we are talking about the radian, right? So as a radian, the 0 is the same as a 0, that's a degree, right? And then radian is going to be 0. 90 is the 7 as a pi over 2. 180 same as a pi. And 270 same as 3 pi over 2. And then go back to the 2 pi. So when you go around the whole circle, it makes the 2 pi. So for the 1.5 radian means it is a 1.5 radian out of the 2 pi, the whole complete circles, which is going to be multiplied by 100 to get a percentage. You got a 23.87%. That's a radian. And then what is in the B said that if the angle subtends on an arc that is a 23.87% of the entire circle circumference, what is the measure of the angle in degree? So now what you do is total percent is 300, total degree is 360 multiplied by 0.2387, and then there will be the degree of the 23.87 as a whole, which is 85.932 degree. Now number 11, we're gonna convert following the angle in the radian to measure in degree. So when you have a 2 pi radian to change the degree, so 2 pi out of 2 pi, of course, and then we convert to the degree, so multiply 360, it's going to be a 2 pi. Oh, it's going to be a 360. What am I saying? We change the degree, right? So 360. And then 2.7 radian out of 2 pi, and then multiply by 360, and then you get the 154.7 degree. Now you have a 4 radian over 2 pi times by 360, and then you get the 229.2 degree. And then pi over 2 radian over 2 pi multiplied by 360. Of course, it's going to be the 90. Now, convert the different ways. Now, degree to convert to the radian. So, 52 out of 360 total degree multiplied by 2 pi. And then you get the 0.918 radian. And then the 90 degree out of 360 and then multiply by 2 pi, and you can get the 1.57 radian. And then 243 degree out of 360 degree multiplied by 2 pi. Then I got 4.241 radian. Okay, so radian and then degree is same, but it expressed different ways. Okay, thank you for listening.